How to download and install Google app on your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, we'll see how to download and install the Google app on our phone. This works for Android and iPhone, so let's get started. So if you're on Android, you can go to Play Store. And once you are in the Play Store, you can just go over and look out for the search and go ahead and search for Google Evolve directly. So go ahead and find the option for Google. And once we find it out, we can download the application. This one right here from Google LSC. So find it up and you can look out for the install option. You can just go over and find the install option. Usually for applications, you can find an option called install, something like this. And once you find it up, you can just go and tap on that option. After that, we can just go over and tap on open. Once we have waited for the download and the Google application is now ready to use on your Android phone. And here you can sign in with your Google account. You can enable voice search for faster searches and customize your news feed preferences as well. And you can check your internet connection, make sure that there's enough space, update Play Store and App Store, and restart your device. Use voice search for hands-free queries, enable Discover Feed to get trending news, use Google Lens to scan images and text, and then you should be able to have the application on your device. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. This is how you should be able to do it. You may follow up this process for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.